Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. This is our company that you can see is this is the company which we provide all the homework solutions and any type of solutions which you need to know. So we are providing all types of subject solutions. If you need any related to help, so you can contact us on this number. We provide all the solutions on your WhatsApp within a day. Within a very reliable answer will be getting and now the what here we are discussing question number 3. This distinguish between the following: the product price ratio and the factor price ratio, added network services and internet services, consumer surplus and producer surplus, and the globalization and the glocalization. So here is the question in which the four questions and you have to distinguish between them. So if you need answers of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We provide all the solution within a day, within a time. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.